Hello! Today we'll go over how to use SheetMapper. With this tool, you can dynamically add markers to your map by linking a live spreadsheet. We'll go over each step from publicizing the spreadsheet to adding data to the map. To get started, let's go to the SheetMapper site and scroll down to look for the very first step, which is to create data in a Google Sheet. So the first thing that we can do here is we can duplicate our sheet from this template. So let's open this up in a new tab and let's take a look at the data. Right here, you can see we have the name, the address, the latitude and longitude points, a phone number, and some links. So to use this, we'll want to make a copy of the data. And now we have the data as our own file. Now we can change the sharing settings. First, let's publish the data to the web by clicking on File, then down to Publish to the Web, and we can select Publish. Confirm it, and now our spreadsheet is published to the web. The next thing we'll want to do is change the access settings by pressing Share in the top right corner. We'll click Advanced, and we want to change who has access to Public on the web, and save again. This link here will be important, so I'm going to leave this module up for now. Let's return to the SheetMapper webpage and scroll down to Step 2. We're going to grab the code to get started. So let's open this link in a new tab. This will take us to the starter code repo. I'm going to click Raw, and this will let me view a page that just has the code so that I can select all and then I can copy it. Let's hop into a text editor and we'll want to paste all the code in. Now we can save the file as an HTML file. Now we can make some edits to this code. The first thing we'll want to do is add in our access token. So let's replace everything here and paste in your access token. We'll want to do a similar thing for the style ID. We can type in Mapbox, styles to hit the styles API, Mapbox, and let's pick the streets V11 style. And we can save this. Now we can jump back into Chrome, pull up our file, and it looks like we have a fully loaded map style. In the next step, we'll connect the live spreadsheet, and then we'll see markers appear on our map. To add the markers to our map, let's go back to our copy of the data. Remember that we kept this modal up from the share settings. We can copy the link to share. We'll go back into our text editor, and right here where it says key, replace what is inside of the quotes with our link to the data. We can save this, go back to our browser, return to our web page, and refresh. And now you can see all of the locations we have from our data set. Now that you know how to publicize your data and link it to a Mapbox webpage, you can start creating your own datasets or use a custom dataset that you already have. Happy mapping!